Hello student, today's topic is algebraic expression. Before that we see definition of expression. An expression is a mathematical phrase combining numbers and variables using mathematical operations. Both sides of an equation are expressions. An expression or mathematical expression is a finite combination of symbols that is well formed according to the rules that depend on the context. Mathematical symbols can designate numbers, constant, variables, operations, functions, brackets, punctuation, and grouping to help determine order of operation. Other aspects of logical syntax. An expression is a systematic construction. It must be well formed and allow operations must have the correct number of input in the correct places, and the characters that make up these input must be valid, have a clear order of operations, etc. Strings of symbols that violate the rules of syntax are not well formed, are not valid mathematical expression. Example number 1. In the usual notation of arithmetic expression, 1 plus 2 multiplied 3 is well formed, but the following expression is not. Multiply x in bracket close x plus comma divided by y. In this type of examples we do not write as a expression. See some another examples of an expression. 6 plus 6, 6x square, 6x plus 6 plus 6 minus 3. These are the sum expression example. Below that, equal to, not equal to sign, greater than, less than. These are the sum symbols to compare the expression. See types of expression. There are three types of expression: arithmetic expression, fractional expression, and algebraic expression. First we see arithmetic expression. The expression consists of numbers and arithmetic operators called as a arithmetic expression. For example, 65 plus 9 minus 4. Second, fractional expression. The expression consists of fractional numbers and arithmetic operators. For example, 25 upon 4 plus 36 upon 5. Third, algebraic expression. The expression consists of unknown variables, numbers, and arithmetic operators. For example, 3x square plus 5. These three definitions in short. Arithmetic expression means only use numbers with mathematical operation. Second, fractional expressions means use fractional number with mathematical operation. And in algebraic expression we can use variables and numbers with mathematical operation. The variables are specified in number. Algebraic expression in detail. An expression that consists of one or more variables, it could contain some constant and some variables. For example, 2x plus 3y plus 6, second 5n, third a minus b. In these three examples, first example, the combination of numbers and variable. Second, the number and variable consisting of multiplication operation. And third example, a and b are two variables with mathematical operation use subtraction. Means or more variables are used with mathematical operation at a time. See another example of algebraic expression. In that given example we see parts of algebraic expression. Example number 1, 5x minus 3. 5x and 3 are terms. 5x, in that 5x, 5 is a coefficient of x and x is a variable, 3 as a constant. Means in algebraic expression the parts of algebraic expression are terms, constant, variables, and coefficient and mathematical operation. Then we see notation of algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. An expression consists of combination of numbers, operations, symbols, and grouping of symbols such as parentheses. An algebraic expression an expression that contains one or more variable. See some example. Expression 3 plus 4, 6 minus 2, bracket 6 plus 3, bracket close, minus 1. These are the some examples of expression. And algebraic expression examples are 3 in bracket c plus 8, 2a, 9 minus x. Then we see definition of parts of algebraic expression. First, terms. Part of expression separated by addition or subtraction. Second, variable. It is unknown value represented by a letter in an algebraic expression. Third, constant. The terms in an algebraic expression that never changes. Fourth, coefficient. A number multiplied by a variable. And last, operation. Which type of operation are used in algebraic expression? There are 4 mathematical operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division are used in algebraic expression. We see some symbols to indicate that the inequalities, equality and inequality. See, there are some notation. Equal to sign indicates that equal, not equal to sign indicate that unequal to sign. These symbols are used to compare the two expressions. An equality compares two values, showing if one is less than, greater than or simply not equal to another value. See some type of notation right in the given slide. A is not equal to B. A is less than B. A is greater than B. In this type of notation, we can express some expression. They are equal, not equal, greater than or less than.